So it is very clearly a time of change right now when it comes to generative AI and artificial intelligence in general. And like any innovation, right, even outside of recruiting, like any innovation or disruption, ChatGPT raises a few key questions. It very clearly accelerates creativity and innovation, and but it also opens risks, vulnerabilities, and ethical concerns. So it raises the question of whether we should be embracing innovation or aiming to restrict its use and protect the status quo. So to give you the punchline early, our answer to these questions is pretty simply yes. We embrace innovation and we acknowledge its limitations. So if the question is simply, is innovation good or bad? That would actually be missing the current reality because ChatGPT and innovations in AI are simply what's next. These platforms hold tremendous promise to drive efficiency, but like any disruptor, they pose real challenges and threats as well. So even if your employer has blocked ChatGPT in your workplace, which has happened at a number of employers, the reality is that ChatGPT is actually being used by your candidates right now, as we'll talk about in a bit. So at the very least, you need to understand its potential to stay in the know and understand how to respond. So to that end, and to help you stay in the know, what we've done here is constructed a presentation of 3 parts. So once again, as I noted, this is a high level ChatGPT basics, but that also, of course, has some very practical tips. So part 1 here, we're first going to do an overview of the basics of ChatGPT. So this is recruiting agnostic. Then we will do an overview of our recently released candidate pulse, where we asked about the use of ChatGPT, how candidates are using ChatGPT. Then finally, we'll provide some concrete tips for how to use ChatGPT in recruiting.